Hey Nighthawks, this is Ben Acevedo.
And I'm Ben Poole.
And we're here in the Nighthawk Pro Gaming Lounge, and we're here to talk about the XR700 gaming router.
You want to start unboxing this?
Let's rip it open. So the cool thing about the XR700 is we listened to you, the fans of the XR500. You guys asked for some things, and we were able to deliver. You wanted a beefier processor. We were able to do that. You guys wanted active antennas. We've added that. You guys wanted more ports. We've done that. And it's wall mountable. So there's a lot of cool features that we've added by just listening to you guys on the XR500. As Ben's taking that apart, I'm going to show you some of the things that you also get in the box. You get a little bit of a user's guide in here. We'll try to reassemble that. You've got this nice box with the power brick inside. And so you've got your Ethernet cable. You guys asked for why do we always have yellow cables? Well, we included a black cable for you this time. And that's what's in the box.
All right, all the plastic taken off. Looks really nice right here. LEDs on the front. Got the USB ports on the side. Also have all the Ethernet ports on the back. That's a lot of Ethernet ports.
That is a lot. And you can actually do up to 10G with the port in the back. Just gorgeous. This thing's a beefy monster.
It's massive. So let's talk hardware.
Let's do it. First off, 1.7 gigahertz quad-core processor, double the processing power of the XR500. Wi-Fi, incredible speeds, up to 7.2 gigabits per second, which is amazing. But as gamers, you're gonna wire it up, and that's why we've added more ports on the back. You've got 8 ports. You've got one that's able to go up to 10G, which will plug into the SX10 and your ReadyNAS. You can move huge files for like streaming and media files at blistering speeds. You've got a USB 2 ports of that on the side. It's wall mountable, which is super cool as Ben is transforming it. And you can just mount it right on the back. The features list just goes on and on. Incredible speeds, both wired, wireless, flexibility. It's got it all. That's amazing. That's the hardware. Let's talk software.
The software in this is amazing, right? As well as all the hardware. It really allows you to customize your network for gaming, so you're not lagging, you're not disconnecting, you're not rubber banding, and it allows you to focus in on your game. So some of the great features, like the network monitor, allows you to actually view what's happening on your network from your PC or your tablet or your phone, and then it allows you to identify devices that are causing you to lag. So, for example, if your roommate starts streaming Netflix, it allows you to turn down how much bandwidth he's receiving on his TV, for example, and it allows you to have all the bandwidth for your gaming for yourself. So there's also quality of service, or QoS, that allows you to fine-tune some of those settings. There's also the geo filter, which blocks connections outside of the predefined range around your home, so you have the fastest connection possible. And that's pretty much the software in a nutshell that really allows you to customize your network for your gaming for yourself.
That's the incredible XR700. I'm Ben Acevedo.
And I'm Ben Poole.
Thank you all for watching. Follow us on social media. Leave your comments below. Look for more videos from Nighthawk Pro Gaming. And I think that's about it for today.